Okay, this is Tech Teach again. In our last lesson, we looked at how to change the materials of our walls by editing the type of the walls. We're still in wall mode. We want to be in floor plan view, so we want to make sure we've just got the floor plan open and not the walls. And this is step 10, placing components like windows and doors. It says in the floor plan view, select door under the home tab. So there's home, and you should have a door button somewhere in the tab right there. And it says click load family. Now if you haven't done so already, you will not be able to see a list of doors here. You might have one sample door, but not all of the different sizes of it. So the load family button will be available to you if you've not already done this, or if the computer you're sitting at has not already been loaded. If it hasn't been loaded, then you'll have to go to that load family mode and locate the folder called Imperial Library. The Imperial Library folder on the desktop computers is going to be in the shared drive. So you can go to shared. I gotta log in. And you've got to go into public, and this is where the shared resources are for Revit, ADA 2011. You go into that, then you go into Revit, then you go into content. It's kind of a weird way to put it in there. And then you go into the Imperial templates. If you're doing things metrically, then I guess you can go into the metric templates, but we're doing things in feet and inches, not in the metric system of measurements. So when you click Imperial, then you'll open up a library of all the components. This is where you'll go for all of the different types of let's see. Why is this saying conceptual mass? Sorry, I clicked the wrong button. It's not Imperial template, it's Imperial library. You're going to have to go scoping and finding the Imperial library. So it's public ADA 2011 Revit content Imperial library that you're going into. Yeah, it looked a little funny when I went to it before, but now that I've gotten into Imperial library, you can see doors is right here. Now, there are lots of different doors in the world, and these aren't all the doors, but these are all the doors that this program can now see. And so it's talking about a single panel door that you're going to look for. So if you come down here, you can see single glass, and it shows you a little preview over here. Single panel 1, single panel 2. It doesn't matter which door you choose. These are all exterior doors. They just have different configurations of panels on them. I don't know, 1 will do. And I click open. That pulls it into the you're loading the library of doors, and now it asks you to put the 34 by 80 door, and you just go down here for 34 and 80. Then as you move around, when you get to the wall that you want your door on, you can just set it in place. Now to change your door swing, you can click on the arrows, and you can have interior, or exterior. You can have left opening and right opening doors. So you can do that as many times as you need to, and there are also many other kinds of doors in there that you can look for. Look for a garage door and put it on the other side so that we can turn it into a place to store your lawnmower and stuff like that. Okay, this is about 4 minutes and 12 seconds into this lesson. In the next lesson, we're going to be looking at adding interior walls and doors and windows, and then we get into shading and rendering next. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.